We are pleased to show you 2004 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, daytime running lights, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, center console. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.